of the review paper at first. Thereafter, original paper. Yes, original paper are the base of our research work. Base, it is the base. If there will be no original research work, only the review paper, then we can get the new thing, which is based on some new pattern, some new dimension. Because review paper means it will enhance research. Because review paper are generally given by the professors or those who are into the industry for more than 10-15 years, and they are writing good research paper. And that review that paper, that is research paper, review research paper, if you go with that one, and if it is the original research paper, then you have to go for data collection, maybe the primary. I am showing here, and the left hand side you can see the title of the research paper, abstract of the research paper, then introduction of the research paper, objective should be given, literature review, methodology, experiment and result, conclusion, and the reference. The reference citation is very, very important. I am showing here the reference citation part because regarding research paper we have already discussed. Now we are using the DOI, that is Digital Object Identifier. And therefore, whenever you are, if some paper is copying from the other, then it can be automatically catched by ourselves. So now we are going for the citation. This is some popular citation which are generally given. That is, first I am going with the APA. That is citation in the APA style. That is American Psychological Association used by education. Those who are from education background, those who are from the psychology, okay, from the science background, they can use the APA pattern. It is best for them. They can use the APA style for citation purpose. But please be careful that you have to go with the journal. If journal is giving citation pattern, then you cannot give it in the APA pattern. Then MLA, you know that the Monon is that one. And you can go with the Chicago for Chicago or Turabian style that is generally used for this history or the fine arts students. Those who are from the fine arts, they can use that one also. So please remember, the last one is that IEEE. IEEE is a popular the format for the engineering people. Those who are from the engineering background, they are having the IEEE series. So in IEEE, we are having some extra test for citation purpose. So I think that it is clear. APA style, MLA style, Chicago style, and IEEE style. These are style in our hand, and we can use that one for a good paper publication. One more topic, always in I think that the hot discussion, that is impact factor. The present impact factor. Therefore, I am showing only the 2008 impact factor. So in 2008, if you can see in on my screen, that is NASAR. With NASAR, 30 to 35 in between. Then if you say the scale, then science, I am combining all the category of the journal worldwide of all discipline. Not only from one discipline, I am combining from all disciplines. And you can see the impact factor. So don't go with the false impact factor. If someone is giving you in some Indian journal, 80,000, 5,000 rupees, I will publish it. So it is the biggest joke. I'm telling you, because you have to say the impact factor of the top journal, that is like NASAR. NASAR is open for all. It is not like that is science people. No, it is for all. And already I have informed you all that interdisciplinary research is the last part of research. You will do starting your at first as a interdisciplinary, then you reach a height. Then thereafter you will divide your department, then specialize, then particular topic on PhD. Thereafter in postdoc you will go interdisciplinary. You will start interdisciplinary work because a new work you have to add. And finally, whenever you are spending like 15, 20 years, then you have to go for the interdisciplinary research, the new work finding. Now, impact factor is for journal. Don't be confused. Don't be confused. It is not your impact factor. Someone saying that this is you are publishing in a particular journal with the high impact factor, clearly indicating that your work is with the high quality. Your work is with the high quality. If you are publishing in one of the top journal having good impact factor, but it is not the impact factor of your paper. It is the impact factor of your journal. Because impact factor of the journal is come from the citation of the journal.